Hi there, hope you're doing well. Thank you for choosing me for the job. And this is the dashboard I'm going to give you. And let me go ahead and quickly give you a high level view of how it works and how you can import the data and everything. So for the time being, what I'm using here is like this particular data set. Let me just quickly open it. So this one, and I'm also removing any names or blank cells, and so that's pretty much where we are. So let me go ahead and kind of show you how it is in here. So this is the actual sheet where the dashboard is linked to. I use this sheet for other purposes, like for imports and everything, so don't worry about this. Client, I just imported, I'm not refreshing anything, so if you want you can remove this. If for the time being I just kept it there, but I'll hide it. If you want you can unhide it. So there are two ways you can actually import the data. One is clearing everything, and so when you click on this, all the data will automatically get removed, and it'll be ready for you to go ahead and add brand new data. But if you're actually going to add data to an existing set, just go ahead and use the import data sheet. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear everything. So let's just say if it is cleared, so you can see everything is gone. The dashboard will not get updated even though you cleared there, unless you click on refresh, which is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and import the data. So click on that import data, just select what you have, click open and wait for it to import automatically, and now it will automatically refresh the chart right there. That's it. It doesn't look very changed or anything because I'm using the same data. So that's pretty much where we are. So in terms of the data, there are a few anomalies that I see that I wanted to highlight. One is there are a few cells like these. I've used it for calculation purpose. So yeah, and one more thing which I missed to update is this. Okay, so that's one thing which I need to do. So you can see here some of these cells, like in the class you can see empty cells, so I don't know what to populate them with. So either the things need to be updated in this the report that you're going to give me or not, and also for some are empty, so which I think is fine because we are using that. So that's pretty much all we are, and all the other things in terms of the total and all the other things like the name of the person, whichever that blank from that cell got removed in the data, and the dashboard gets updated. Now remember, I told you this is a very kind of a dynamic dashboard, so which means that you can go ahead and if you want whatever things that you do changes, go ahead and click on refresh. Only then it will refresh the charts and the thing. So let's say you want to go ahead and slice and dice, so you can click on one particular person and it will go ahead and show you the complete dashboard for that particular person alone. Sometimes you don't have to do that. Just by removing the filter itself, you could see a comparative study. For example, the DD was here, you don't have to click there, so that kind of thing. So but where you can make use of that is like, let's say you want to go ahead and see only the printers or only the parts. So you need to understand where you can see the printer. So tell me about the days, about just 3 weeks of that or 1 week of that. So you can just kind of click and remove the filters. If you want to select multiple, click and hold, and that will automatically get selected based on what it is here. So okay, let's keep going down. So again, you can go ahead and see the refreshers with respect to the class as well, so that gets updated. So let me show you what are the charts that I have. This is when you remove everything, it shows the complete data till date. So that's your month on month trends. These things will get for right now we have only 4, right? Once you have more data, that will automatically refresh it here. Let's say you have more years, the years will get updated here. So that time you'll have to select on a specific year to view the data again. So this one is your ink versus the monthly thing, and then contribution of what product on the month, that's right here. And then your this one, I think in your sheet you had new sales, and the other sales as of now I see like more, and some of these were blank. So you may want to fix or let me know what these needs to be, because if that has to change, I'll have to give you like a list sheet and do like a lookup information on this. The reason I have not done that here is because I still see blanks, so it's not clear for me as to what I should put blanks. That's where we are. And let's keep going down. This one is your resource versus ink part, and then your country split up, international versus United States, and as well as this one is your weekly trend. This will become very small because you have like 52 weeks, so it may get like that. So because 52 weeks had to be things, so but the data will automatically extend itself and so on. So this one is your quantity, and this one is your commissions part of it. So that's where we are. So let me know if this works, and if there are any changes or two, we can always liaise up and get this worked out. Okay. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.